Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. In this session, we are going to discuss about the next type in marks card. Nothing but size. So first, let me create one bar chart by double clicking the sales and category. So this is the bar chart has been created. Now, if you see the size is very minimum, slowly I'll drag towards right side. So we can notice that the size is getting changed. So this is the one of the useful parameter tool. Using this, we can increase the size and decrease the size, right? So any graph, like let me change it to line graph, right? So this line, right? So this line also size can be increased or decreased by using this size option. So let's suppose like here we have multiple lines pull into the region. For each region, we are going to see the sales, right? So this size, right? So now we have multiple lines. Multiple lines also can be adjusted at the size can be adjusted same point at the same time. We can adjust everything, right? This is one of the size is the best option to increase the graph size in appropriate way. And similarly, let me take one more example of normal raw data. So anytime if you don't want column, you can just drag and drop it in this empty area, it will go away. Now, if you select anything, dimension first and then measure second, it will create a table. This table size, right, we can decrease, increase. Let me clearly explain with another example. So first I select category, put it as automatic, and then sales. So we can see that since the size is more, we can't able to actually see the data. Now I reduce little bit, we can see the data. So this is how we can play with the data as well. Size is important tool in presenting the chart in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.